Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So as I said in my previous video, I moved to New York, so yay, super exciting. And I said I was going to do a room tour, or an apartment tour. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. I hope you like my decorations. There are two pictures that I want to exchange for other pictures, but I'll mention that when we see. So Empire State of Mind, let's get it. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked my apartment. I've been here for like a month now. It's approaching a month, and like I absolutely love living here. I mean, I do miss home. I do miss Bay, and I miss home. I miss my friends, but I'm making new friends slowly but surely. But I don't know, the more you like take classes and the more you like introduce yourself to people and the more people introduce themselves to you, like you start to meet people and like have like, I don't know, it's just comforting when you go into a room and you're like, oh my God, like, yes, somebody I know. So like, I don't know, it's really important to just kind of put yourself out there, which is not really in my personality to like be like, Sarah Sigmund, what's your name? But like, I mean, I don't actually do it like that. But yeah, no, but it's really good to meet people, and like everybody here is basically here for the same reason that I'm here. So it's nice to have others that know what you're doing and like know what you're going through. So yes, that is my apartment. And if you have any questions about like moving or anything, like specifics on like how to change your, like, do your change of address, or like, I know all of that stuff now. And like voter registration, which I still have to fill out, but I will be on it soon. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Also, just peep this really cute sports bra from Forever 21. That is why I keep like trying to do this like off the shoulder thing, because it's so cute and I love it. But anyways, yeah, they have like a bunch of new active stuff there. I spent a little too much money. Probably should have waited till I got that show so I could like spend a little more money, but it's okay. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna have a Broadway show or a tour or, you know, a regional theater. You know what, anything I can get. That's where I'm at right now. Okay, bye you guys. Thank you so much for watching.